Oh my goodness. The aroma in this kitchen right now is heavenly. Healthy. Now, if you want to eat healthy, stay tuned. I've always told you that. Yeah, today I'm going to be sharing with you this delicious recipe. Gucci's team, I hope you all have been doing great. If you're just stopping by, I want to say you are welcome to this channel. This is where you're going to be getting healthy meal ideas that you can make for yourself and for your family, friends, and loved ones. So, my family, without further ado, let's get right into this video. A very delicious spaghetti recipe. You can call it stewed spaghetti recipe. Some people do it the other way and they call it stir-fried spaghetti. But yeah, I'm doing the stewed spaghetti today. This is a very quick recipe, a very quick meal idea for you and your family, okay? Yeah, so we're going to be using this for dinner actually. But I just want to show you what I'm about to do. I have my stew already made. I usually make stew for my jollof rice, prep it down, so anytime I want to make very quick delicious recipes like this, I don't have to stress. All I need to do is just get my stew and make my delicious jollof rice or spaghetti, or make my macaroni with stew, or make my yam porridge or plantain porridge. Okay, so I am using two spaghetti. So here is the brand I'm using. This is a very good brand, and yeah, I've been using this for quite a long time. It has never disappointed me. In case you're looking for the brand to use, go ahead and use this. This is very, very good. You can get this at Sam's Club, where I usually buy my foodstuffs in bulk. So right to my spaghetti. How do you make your spaghetti? Make sure you have hot water boiling and allow it to boil for about 10 minutes, and then you add your spaghetti. You can either break your spaghetti in or you leave it like that, like I left my spaghetti like that. Look at this. So this is how I like to make my spaghetti. I don't like to break my spaghetti in. So you can add salt, add groundnut oil, just to make sure it is well separated like this. I don't like it clumped up together, so add groundnut oil. Groundnut oil will help to separate it. Add salt. You can even add your Maggi seasoning just for you to get a delicious spaghetti. And then we mix in stew. That's it. So here I have some cabbage, which I'm going to be using for this recipe. I have some roller peas, also very good for this recipe. We are also going to be using carrots for this beautiful recipe. So the way I want to go about this, I'm going to blanch all of this together because I do not want to do fry. So I'm showing you another way you can go about this recipe, and trust me, you are going to enjoy this recipe. Remember, I have my stew made already, so I want to go about it this way because we are doing another method of this very recipe. Stay tuned and enjoy. Our onion is also prepped. We're going to get this. So I'm going to blanch this. Let's set this in the oven. Cook your spaghetti for 5 minutes. If you have liquid, you can go ahead and drain a little bit and leave a little bit, so you can use that as your liquid. Or if you like, you can add your chicken broth or whatever broth of your choice. Okay, so this is my chicken broth. I've gone in with just a little bit. Alright, so as we are waiting for our vegetables, I'll just mix this in. This is another beautiful way you can enjoy your spaghetti. You mustn't eat fry all the time. Remember, I used to tell you this. So let me know if you're going to try this method. This is a very good method. If you want to try this method, go ahead and let me know in the comment section. My kitchen smells incredible. Like, let's bring out our vegetables. Can you see? After blanching. Thank you so much for watching. Please give it a massive thumbs up. We are going to add this straight into the spaghetti. Just add it like so. Go in with your onion. you see that our vegetable is nicely blanched. Our carrot, everything is soft. You can see all our vegetables. You just try to mix. At this point, make sure your stove is set on high. Set your stove on high. You need to set your stove on high so your vegetables will not go soggy. I like my vegetables crunchy. At this point, you can go in with your stew. That is why we call it stewed spaghetti recipe. Very quick. It tastes so fantastic even without me adding the stew already. I can even choose to go about it this way. You can decide to eat it this way, but I'm going to add stew. It's very delicious, trust me. This is my homemade stew. I'm going to add it in, guys. Add your stew in like so. Guys, this is good. This is so good. Just keep mixing it until everything is well combined, guys. This is so good. So good. Yum, yum, yum. Let's go in and mix everything until it is well combined, guys. That's all you need to do with this recipe. Trust me. You can add butter if you choose, but I have everything that I need in this very stew. That stew recipe is on my channel. You can go and look it up, how to make stew for jollof rice. It's on my channel, how to make jollof rice stew. But honestly, it's a very quick way to make your spaghetti. Look at that. Isn't this juicy? See how juicy. Can you see how juicy? Can you see how juicy? If you like, you can add corned beef. If you like, you can add sausage. If you like, you can add chicken. I have chicken recipe on my channel. I have several recipes on your spaghetti. Okay, go and look it up. It's very good. You can add butter if you like, just to get another beautiful flavor. I think I'm just going to add butter. I want it very flavorful. Remember, I didn't add any more seasoning because my stew was properly seasoned, and I added a little Maggi when I was parboiling my spaghetti. You can choose to add a little bit of your Maggi and salt when you're parboiling your spaghetti. Let me know if you like the way I went about this method and if you're going to try it. I went in with a little drizzle of coconut oil. That will make it very flavorful. This is it. How you can enjoy your spaghetti jollof. Very delicious. Look at that. Yum, 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 yum. This is very good. Oh my. It is also children-friendly meal. They would love it a lot. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already. Turn on your notification bell so anytime I upload new videos, you'll be the first to get notified. Here we have some pineapples. We're going to be enjoying this with pineapples. I'm going to show you what I want to do to the pineapples. So go in with your pot like so. We're going to toast these pineapples. This is another beautiful way you can enjoy your pineapples. Yeah, it's a delicious meal. Your pineapple comes out very incredible when you toast it. Trust me. Try these things and you will find out yourself. Pineapple works wonders in your body, especially if you go about it this way. The pineapple you added to this spaghetti will also help to boost your immune system. My goodness. Can you see that beauty? You don't need to add oil to this. This is so good. Have you heard that beautiful adage that says health is wealth? So think about it. This is so good. Ooh, it smells so incredible. Ooh, it smells so good. Do this, guys. Come back to say thank you, Gucci's. This year, by the grace of God, we are going to be doing a lot on this channel. If you want to eat healthy, stay tuned. I've always told you that. Ooh, it smells incredible, guys. Ooh, this is so good. Oh my goodness, this is so good. Oh my goodness. Look at that beauty. Ooh, it smells good here. Ooh, this is good. This is so good, so good. I say this a lot of times. There are meals you make that are very good for your health. Pineapple helps to boost your immune system. So you can imagine eating spaghetti and adding pineapple, toasted pineapple, what that will do for you. I'm going to serve right now. Stay tuned. Oh my goodness, look at this deliciousness. Let's serve, guys. After eating your spaghetti this way, you're not going to go through any constipation situation. We are going to be eating this deliciousness with fish. This is so, so good. What are you going to be pairing this with? Let me know in the comment section. This is so, so good. Now we're going to garnish this with these pineapples. Look at that. Do you want to try this? Let me know in the comment section. My husband and I are going to be enjoying this very deliciousness now. If this is something you want to try, please go ahead and you will come back to say thank you, Gucci's. I hope you enjoy this for your children, for your husband, for your family. Gucci's team, be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves the merciful heart. Thank you all so much. I'm not taking your love for granted. I am very grateful. Gucci's team, ciao, 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 ciao. See you soon in another video.